Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this heavy duty metal pulsating sprinkler head. This one does have a 360-degree rotating automatic water sprinkler. Alright, so right here we have our heavy duty pulsating metal sprinkler. This one does have a 360-degree rotating water sprinkler. It covers up to 85 feet. It has an adjustable spring cruise, water outlet holes. It diffuses pin that breaks the spray. It has a wire latch, controls coverage. It's got a sturdy metal base, water inlet connector. It also has two adjustable collars. That way you can set it how far left or how far you run it to go. So this is the base right here. It is a super nice sturdy base. All you do have to put the sprinkler head on top of it. So this holds it in place, and then you'll put your hose right here in the back, and then it's got the sprinkler head here at the top. It is super easy to put together. You just put this on the top. It does come with extra gaskets, so it helps it from leaking. So this is a sprinkler head right here. It is super easy to put together. You just take this part right here, screw it into the top of the base, and you're ready to go. I like the fact that it is not plastic, so you don't have to worry about it breaking. It is really nice metal, so it's heavy, durable. So, and then in the back you'll just change where you want to focus your water, whether you want to go really far left or really far right. It does cover up to 85 feet. So what I'm going to do is put this together, and then I'm going to set it in my yard so you can see how great this sprinkler is. So you can see right here, it's doing a good job watering my grass. If you wanted to spray more water instead of a stream, you can use a little screw in the front and let it in a little bit so you'll get more water closer to the base. I like the fact that this is super high durability. It is really great metal, even in the base, and I like the fact that it doesn't move around like some bases do. If you're looking for a nice sprinkler for your yard, I would highly recommend checking this one out.